friends, it's teacher Darcy, and I'm in my lab coat, which means we're going to do STEM. STEM, S-T-E-M, STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. We're going to be doing a lot of each of those during our video today. Science means the study of natural things. You can study the science of the ocean, the study of the stars. You can study the science of gravity, which is what we're going to be talking about today. Technology is all the mechanical things we've invented. TVs and cameras and cars, everything. Engineering means how they're built. It takes a lot of STEM to engineer things like roads, bridges, and even houses. Math is more than just numbers. It's also how close things are together or how far apart they are. That's the part of math we're going to do today. So I said the word gravity. What goes up must come down. Even balloons that float up in the sky eventually come down. And so do hot air balloons, airplanes, and helicopters. We're going to talk about how we can affect this car going across my floor. Let's get started. I'm going to use this little monster truck to show how inclines and declines affect how gravity wants to pull it down. I'm also going to use these for different heights of our ramp. We're making ramps. So we need to start our experiment with watching the car go. It doesn't go anywhere. If I give it a little push, it rolls. So let's see what happens when we make a ramp. Let's take our smallest piece of cardboard. When I have the cardboard on the ground, do you think that that's going to change how the car goes across my floor? Let's see. Nope, nothing happens. What if I put it on the cardboard? Sunshine, does anything happen? Nope, nothing happens. So, what happens if I tip up the edge a little bit? It rolls down. Let's go back to our starting point. What happens if I tip it up on this side? Oh, it rolls back down backwards. So let's see. This is my thinnest box. What happens when I put this on the ramp? And now this box is my starting point. Let's put this on cardboard. Yeah, it rolls down. This is a decline. It means it's going down. Let's put it on this side and put the car at the starting point here. Now when I put the truck on the cardboard, let's see if it rolls down. Well, it rolls backwards, but it doesn't roll up. That's because gravity is pulling the truck downward. So let's try that again. We'll make a decline. There it goes. Now what do you think would happen if we increase the decline? This is the engineering part. We're going to design it. So let's add this box to it. Do you think it's going to go down the ramp faster or slower? It goes down a little bit faster. Let's try another box. So now that we designed this up here, now let's see, do you think that with a greater decline, do you think the car is going to go down the ramp faster or slower? Let's see. Oh my, that was a lot faster. I didn't even have time to catch that. Let's make our ramp taller by adding this we'd call a steep decline. What happens when I put the truck on the ramp? I'm gonna have to hold the ramp. Whoa, that was really fast. Now, let's add our biggest box. And now let's put our cardboard ramp on here. Nope, this is our steepest decline. Let's see what happens. Oh no, it didn't even make it all the way down the ramp. Now we've made this as tall as we're gonna make this, but let's try another engineering experiment. Let's try a piece of cardboard that's longer. Whoop, that was really fast again. So we tried a longer ramp. What if we tried a much longer ramp? Do you think it's gonna go faster or slower? All right, I'm gonna hold this on. Well, that went a little faster and a little bit farther. What other experiments in science, technology, engineering, and math can you come up with? Be safe, be healthy, and remember, you're so very loved.